Trader Joe's, you would be seeing way more of it because I do enjoy shopping there. Just like I love my Aldi, I do love my Trader Joe's, but I don't live nearby there. So when I do, I try to stock up on all my favorites. So today I'm going to share with you what I like to do is share what I bought and how I use it and just, you know. So started off with some corn tortillas. I don't know, I like buying the yellow ones. I have bought the white ones and I do from Aldi, but to me, the fact that it's yellow, I'm like, okay, this is corn. This is real corn. So yeah, got some corn tortillas. You know my favorite, cilantro jalapeno hummus. I like literally drive just to get that. I have been loving cauliflower mash. So I don't buy the little pre-packaged ones. I enjoy chopping my cauliflower. I don't mind to do it, put it in a food processor, steam it, put it in the Vitamix, and you got some delicious cauliflower mash. I love mushrooms and onions these days. I got some raw sliced almonds. You want to make sure when you get your nuts, guys, that you're getting raw. Don't get the roasted nuts. The nutrients just isn't as high. And so I got some nuts. I'm a hot sauce girl, so I'm trying this out. Habanero hot sauce. We'll see how that goes. Another TJ favorite is the kumato. If you guys have never tried the brown tomato, they're juicy. It's very rare that you will get a tasteless kumato. Like, you know how you can buy tomatoes and they're tasteless? Not the kumato. Very good. I buy this for the kids. It's all for one. The shampoo, conditioner, body wash. No SLS, and the ingredients are pretty simple. This is another main staple I get from Trader Joe's is the organic coconut chips and the coconut flakes. The flakes I use for smoothie bowls and just like on top of smoothies. I'll put it in like different stuff. And the chips are actually like, I will just eat these as a snack or mix it. It's great for like trail mix, mixing it with nuts. So good. So both are needed, but they're totally different. We got a big cucumber, lime. I just like to put lime on everything, guys. My salads, my meals, like anything with meat, just beans, whatever. I love lime on everything. Arugula is our green of choice, just for salads, pick salads. And then baby spinach, I'm putting this in my smoothies. It's an easy way to get in your greens, and I promise you, you don't taste it. So smoothies and eggs, I love that. Some treats for the kids, some vanilla merengues. This is just, you know, simple ingredients. I just try to find stuff with simple ingredients for them. It is so hard, and it's such a struggle for me to really not fill them up with junk. These vanilla wafers are delicious. They're so natural tasting, and I feel like that's how vanilla wafers are supposed to taste. Okay, pistachios. My son has been loving these, so I'm gonna give him those for snacks. Got some little pastas, just some farfalle and the brown rice. I love these little quinoa, brown rice and quinoa pastas. Haven't tried these sauces. You know I gotta pick up my chili lime, and then we ran out of barbecue sauce, and I have been just liking barbecue sauce to just dip my chicken. I don't know. String cheese for lunches. We got some Fuji, Pink Lady apples. These are just really sweet, and I like to switch it up with my apples. So these are organic apples. You want to make sure to always get your apples organic, guys, because those are highly sprayed. Kind of like I follow like the Dirty Dozen. Berries, blackberries, my kids love them, and blueberries. This is like my Skittles, nature's candy, my blueberries. I have an avocado and an acorn squash. This, you guys, I just like to cut it in half and roast it with olive oil. At 400 degrees, it is like an acorn squash is like buttery and just delicious. It gets kind of like golden on the top. So good. All right, moving right along. Almond Breeze, we got the honey nut O's for them. Sweet potatoes, the kids love this. I give them meat with sweet potatoes. Trying out something new, some gnocchis. I'm just gonna, you know, find a creative way to make this. This is more for the kids, some fruits. Okay, guys, I don't know about you, but I open up tangerines. I'm tired of buying tasteless fruit, so I open it up at the store, and if I have to return it, I will do it right then and there to make sure that the fruit tastes good. These were so sweet and delicious, and it's this huge bag of the little cuties. Some beef broth, because I'm going to make a roast in my Instapot. Some blue corn tortillas. James loves those. Breadcrumbs. I made some delicious coconut, like chicken fingers for the kids, like homemade chicken nuggets, and it's hard to find good breadcrumbs that don't have a bunch of crap. Look how simple these are. So I'm excited to make their chicken nuggets with some good breadcrumbs. Some breads for the kids and me, English muffins. I got the organic multigrain and then just this regular one, I don't know, whole grain. We'll see. And then lastly, our meats. Got the nitrate-free turkey bacon. You want to make sure that your turkey bacon does say nitrate-free, guys. So I got 2 of those because I've been loving BLTs in my corn tortillas. So good. It's part of my meal plan. Shrimp. I just want to make some sauteed shrimp. I've been craving this. It's so delicious. So I'm going to make something. Got some shrimp, some uncured. Again, no nitrate ham for the kids. They prefer this. I'm going to surprise Liam with a little sushi treat. He loves it and he's been asking me to go out. So I just got him some little store-bought sushi. Some sirloin steaks, ground beef. I make pasta this. I just want to grill this with some broccoli. Boom, some dinner. I love dark meat. If I'm going to eat chicken, I want to enjoy it. So I buy the boneless, skinless chicken thigh meat. It is so delicious. It is so delicious and I enjoy it. I enjoy it more than the white meat, but sometimes I still make it and I do like it. But I bought some tenderloins and the chicken thigh meat, and that is it, guys. So that is my Trader Joe's haul. Let me know in the comments below what your favorites are. What did I miss? What do I need to get? What can't you live without in Trader Joe's? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.